Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we remove blanks in an Excel workbook. So what I'll do is I have created a table over here in this particular sheet. This is the data, and as you can see here there are blanks in between the data. So to remove this, what I'll do is I'll just go to find and select, then I'll go to spatial, then I'll select blanks, then just click OK. Okay, here as you can see all the blanks are selected by the Excel, in the Excel, and what I'll do is I'll just press command minus, and you can see now there is a criteria popped up here to select, and I'll select here entire rows, then I'll just click OK. As you can see all the blanks are deleted by the Excel, and I have the data, filtered data with me, and I have created one more table in which I have put some data here. As you can see I have provided some values here, and in this case what I'll do is I'll just type equal to count. Here I'll type the count count, enter. Then I'll type equal to count, press tab, then I'll select the data and press enter. If I drag till bottom, as you can see I get the idea that in which rows the data is filled, and by converting this into a now what I'll do is I'll just convert this into a table format. So to convert this into a table format, what I'll do is I'll go to insert, and from here I can convert it into a table, and another way is I'll just type command T and press OK. As you can see now my data is converted into a table format, and to filter this I'll just filter this and select 0. As you can see in which there is no data filled, I have selected all this, then I'll just type command minus, select all. As you can see now I can delete entire sheet rows, then I'll just press OK, and now my data is filtered. As you can see if I click here, now my data is filtered and I'll get the data in which the value is filled. So this is the way you can use the formulas to remove the blank rows in an Excel workbook. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.